Omninos Solutions, a leading app development company in India, offers a Grab clone script that is designed to kickstart businesses in the demand taxi booking services industry. This ready-made script is highly customizable, allowing businesses to tailor it to their specific needs. The Grab clone script comes with a wide range of features that provide a seamless and efficient experience for both drivers and passengers. The customer interface is user-friendly, making it easy for passengers to book rides and navigate through the app. The responsive admin panel ensures that businesses have full control and management over the operations of their taxi booking service. For drivers, the Grab clone script offers a comprehensive solution that simplifies their work. They can easily accept and manage ride requests, track their earnings, and communicate with passengers through the app. This smooth interaction between drivers and passengers enhances the overall efficiency and reliability of the service. What sets the Grab clone script apart is its flexibility. Businesses can customize the script to match their branding and add unique features that cater to their specific target audience. Additionally, the script can be integrated with various payment gateways to offer convenient and secure payment options to passengers. By using the Grab clone script, businesses can quickly enter the competitive demand taxi booking services market with a high-quality and feature-rich solution. With Omninos Solutions' expertise and experience as a leading app development company, businesses can trust that they are receiving a top-notch product. So, whether you are an established taxi service looking to expand or a new player in the industry, the Grab clone script is a fantastic solution to consider.